Welcome back sa latest episode ng Pilipinas 360 Degrees. Kasama ulit natin si Sir Ronald Llamas, isang national treasure. Bago natin pag-usapan yung kanyang napakagaling na drone shot na pagilid-gilid. Sabi ko, screenshot ko nga biglang gumilit yung drone shot ng trillion peso march nung isang araw.
I'm not perfect, you know.
I'm not perfect, but in fairness, at least you try, Sir Ronald, to be perfect. Pag-usapan natin, yung gulo naman nangyari sa Menjola. Very surprised. Sino bang in charge? Kasi ang dami nagalit sa akin when I said in general, parang may sabotage nangyari, i-disown natin. Sabi ko, ba't parang ang daming DDS sa Menjola? Daming DDS nagalit sa akin, Sir Ronald. Am I unreasonable to think na the DDS had an interest, I'm not saying may ginawa sila, but had an interest in getting certain headlines out there, let's just say, na hindi happy lang ang tao kay Marcos. I'm very careful with what I'm saying. Sige, Sir Ronald, sabihin mo na, ano ba nangyari sa Menjola? Bakit parang may mga grupo na nakamask pero sabi nila they're just there out of their own volition? Parang very suspicious. I don't know what's going on, Sir Ronald. Baka I'm too conspiratorial. What's going on?
Marami kasing mga forces na nagpaplanong pumunta sa Menjola. Buti na nga, isang major religious group ay hindi natuloy. Baka mas lalong gumulo. So, meron kang mga grupo na DDS,
Right.
nandun, may mga progressive organizations, may mga everybody in between, maraming mga walk-ins, no? Maraming mga church groups, no? May mga political parties na sumama, merong mga pro-extra constitutional transitional government, revolutionary government types na pumunta, di ba? Tapos meron kang mga gangsta rapper
Yun, mga
groups,
ano,
no? Na
mga
nandun, no?
Jejemon.
So, Jejemon. So, maraming mga iba't ibang grupo. Tapos may ilan na from Luneta, nagpumunta sa Menjola. Halo-halo na. May mga kumiskis, pero may mga bumato, may mga nagsunog pa doon sa may Ayala Bridge, di ba? May mga nakita mo rin, may mga DDS na nagmamarsya, sumisigaw ng mga pro-Duterte chants, no? At umabot din sila sa Menjola. So, halo-halo na. Halo-halo na. Kaya
Damay-damay na, basically.
Pero hindi ako magugulat na originally may mga forces na may mga plano na labas doon sa framework ng rally sa Luneta at saka sa People Power Movement. Hindi ako magugulat na may mga forces na gustong pumunta halimbawa sa Malacanang with also different agenda. No? Kaya ayun, naghalo-halo yan, nagkagulo. Pero some forces are more prepared than others. Yung
And
iba,
more insidious than others, I would say.
could be, dahil yung iba may mga dalang molotov, yung iba ay may mga dalang mga ibang weapons, no? Kaya yung iba wala, no? Karamihan tingin
Pero
ko wala
nakamask
naman.
lahat marami sa kanila. Yeah.
Yes, pero mahirap mo namang i-hold against them yung mga nakamask. Yung iba, mga naka-B for Vendetta mask.
Yeah.
Diba? At may mga nakakwan doon, yung one piece na mga flags, di ba? Alam mo ba yung mga one piece na
Yung
mga flags?
pirate ba yan?
Oo,
Parang-
yung pirate.
Pirate. Saka may pirate party
di
ng
ba?
Pilipinas.
Naging simbolo yun sa
Yeah.
iba't ibang mga bansa.
Yeah,
Even Nepal,
Yeah.
even Indonesia,
Lalo
even
Nepal,
Bangladesh, no? So, kanya-kanyang gaya na yun. Not necessarily with the same political objectives at saka strategy.
So it was a mishmash. So medyo ano rin, mixed bag. Yeah.
Pero may mga groups na baka originally may plano pero hindi nag-push through yung plano nila. Iba didn't get the memo na hindi natuloy, no? Pero
nag-push through pa rin sila.
So, yung iba ay bugso ng damdamin, di ba? Yung iba ay tumututol sa taas ng presyo ng fishball, no? At saka ng mga...
Well, I mean, it's a legitimate concern, Sir Ronald. It's a legitimate concern.
Yes. Yung nagsalita nga nahuli.
Yeah.
Kaya ang dami naghalo-halo eh. Pero makikita mo, again, some are more prepared than others. No? Kaya yung mga balita na something is afoot,
Yeah.
even 2 days before the rally,
Right.
ay nakakaroon ngayon ng legs. Nakakaroon ngayon ng justification. No? At kaya nga, ang tingin ko, hindi pa ito tapos eh.
Hindi pa tapos, yeah. Kaya nga sabi ko, later, let's all the movement. Kasi the other side has to hold the line. But going back to this, Sir Ronald, okay, ganito we're progressives, right? So, obviously, I don't like yung slant ng commentary dahil, syempre, yung iba mukhang galing sa informal sector, marginal sectors. there's this slant mga ano to, saboteurs just because. But at the same time, there was also this kind of woke version which is, wag natin silang husgahan dahil lang ano mo yung ganun? So what was the real score? Because it looks like the police investigation show talaga may binayaran diyan, may mga bayat talaga doon to create chaos. So you see more and more reports coming in. What happened there? Was it the police using excessive force after saying everything? Or was it saboteurs talaga?
Ang
Saboteurs?
naman kasi ay huwag kagad magbigay ng conclusion.
Exactly.
Because there's a lot of things at play. Diba? So,
Everything, everywhere, all at
yes,
once. Mga ganyan.
Dahil 2-3 days before, parang something is already afoot.
Correct.
No?
Which we discussed. Just that
before,
day.
no?
Yeah.
Kaya hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na lahat ito ay spontaneous.
Right.
Katulad ng sinasabi ng iba nating mga kaibigan.
Right.
Hindi ko rin naman pwedeng sabihin na lahat ito ay planned or lahat ito ay part of a plot. Dahil meron naman talagang element na spontaneity. No? Kaya it could be all of the above and at the same time, none of the above. No? Tingnan natin how things will unfold. No, dahil nga nakikita mo iba't ibang impulses happening at the same time.
Yeah.
May mga spontaneous, may mga nabato nga at saka nakulong na wala namang plano na manggulo, di ba? Meron namang mga kwano talagang 4 hours patuloy yung laban, di ba? At yung iba nakaka-relate diyan dahil nakita nila yung Nepal, nakita nila yung
Indonesia, and then Bangladesh last
Belgrade,
year.
nakikita nila, tapos Bangladesh. So, nakaka-relate sila na ito ay, ito na yun. Ito yung youth,
This is the moment,
pricing, etc., etc. Yes and no. No, yes and no. Siyempre, mahirap mag-sift through the confusion through the different narratives.
Right.
No? Ang kawa lang naman, withhold judgment.
So may fog of war talaga. May fog of war.
Oo. Dahil from my vantage point, may kaunti akong alam what was planned.
Yung ba yung
even
drone?
before.
Yung drone na
So, hindi ako kagad magbibigay ng judgment.
I know.
No?
Thank you for that, sir.
Dahil meron naman talaga nagmamarcha ng mga Duterte papunta sa Menjola. May nagmamarcha ng
talaga
mga
video.
progressives.
May video.
At meron ding mga gangsta type, no? At
But Makabayan Bloc denied that they were involved in some of these altercations and all of that.
well, perhaps sila, no? Dahil sa kanila naman tradition na yun na pumunta sa Menjola at kumiskis.
But
no?
they said hindi sila kasama doon sa
iba yung kiss-kiss, iba yung lusog.
Iba yung kiss-kiss.
Oo.
That's a good point.
Ang kiss-kiss kasi tradition yan para to show drama and to show na hindi ka takot dun sa mga law enforcers. Kikis-kiss ka. Ibig sabihin, didikit ka sa mga truncheons. No? Didikit, makikipagtulokan ka ng konti. Pero iba yon dun sa nakita natin na sinusunog yung container van.
Yeah, exactly.
Mahirap sunugin ang container van
It needs,
kung wala kang napalm type of Molotov. Hindi yan ordinaryong Molotov.
Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi yan mga Makabayan, yung mga nag-Molotov and all.
Could be. Hindi sila siguro. No? Yung mga yan. No? Dahil mukhang hindi naman ganun yung tradition ng
exactly.
Makabayan.
So kiss-kiss sila, hindi lusob.
No? Yes.
Pero lusob kasi nangyari at
Tapos
some
ngayon,
point.
may lumalabas daw na ebidensya na a former executive secretary, a former congressman, no?
4 sila, di ba?
Oo. At saka yung paborito mong abogado na may billboard sa C5
na zero pa rin yung success
na
na yun.
Mr. Sex Appeal, no?
Alam mo, Sir Rob, very affected ka sa kanya. Competitive ba kayo?
Ingit ako
Yung ba yung kabilang channel sa'yo?
Ingit ako Dahil hindi ko kaya yun Yung magbigay ka ng billboard, tapos tawagin mo yung sarili mo Mr. Sex Appeal. No?
Feeling ko kaya ko yan, sir. Kung may budget
Ikaw,
ako.
tingin ko kaya mo.
Kung may budget lang sana ako mag-billboard.
ikaw, tingin ko kaya. Ako,
Pero wala kasi ang kliyente na big time.
Hindi ko kaya yun. Kaya yun, no? May mga ganun pa. So, may fog of war.
Fog of war, exactly.
No? Some can be talagang contrived. Some ay talagang because of the iba't ibang grupo na nagsama-sama, no? At a particular moment. So, paano yung sa people power? Walang ganung klaseng gulo Dahil malinaw yung parameters na sinet ng organizers, lalong-lalo na yung Catholic Church. Peaceful, constitutional, no? Very critical, very sharp, pero ito yung parameters, no? Walang revolutionary government, walang mutiny, no? Walang ganito. So, hindi nakagulo ng ganon dahil malinaw yung parameters na sinet ng organizers.
So withhold judgment.
Especially of the church. No?
So withhold judgment. Now, speaking of withhold judgment, was it an error of judgment for Chavit, yung aking kababayan, to show, I think, I was wondering, what was he expecting? Kasi grabe yung busa
Hindi,
kanya.
pinanood ko yung buong press con niya because I was waiting for an
Sa club,
explosion.
yeah.
Now, afterwards, sabi ko, what was that about?
Yeah, like,
So parang it was just a rambling rant ng isang old man
Yeah.
no, na trying to be relevant at failed in doing so. Yun yung kaya tapos pumunta pa siya doon sa people power.
Hindi, tapos ito pa, galit pa siya. Sabi niya, hindi nagkakaisa magulo yung...
Oo, dahil
Tinira pa
sinisigawan
kayo
siya.
na hindi kayo daw...
Hindi talaga nagkakaisa sa kanya.
Exactly.
Talaga, totoo
So,
naman yun.
galit siya.
Hindi nagkakaisa sa kanya. Dahil sinisigawan siya Habang siya ay
Galit siya
naglalakad. Parang si Philip Salvador.
Oo,
Pumunta
Ape.
rin, ang lakas na loob.
Grabe.
Galit na galit nung pinagsisigawan sila.
Oo.
No?
Si Kwanzon din, di ba, pumunta rin?
Oo, hindi ko maintindihan itong mga taong ito. Tataka sila, bakit galit sa kanila? No?
Medyo manhid. Medyo manhid.
Ha?
Medyo manhid.
Talagang,
Di ata nila nagigets ang tao nangyari dito.
Oh, I was surprised, no?
You were surprised that they were not that they were surprised with the reaction of them. Yeah.
Oo. Ayoko sana sabihin. Pero,
I can see you're holding back.
hindi ko alam.
Okay. Bago may sasabihin ka, kasi uwi pa akong
Hindi,
Ilocos.
may sasabihin na lang.
Baka mapama ka, uwi pa ako ng Ilocos. Shoutout sa attorney ko, si Dino De Leon, Singson din
Pero
yan.
sigurado ko kasi marami kang kababayan na
Yun
nahihiya.
nga, exactly. Napapaisip din yung mga kababayan ko eh.
Mismo nga yung kapatid
Anyway, let's just fast forward a bit. Sir Ronald, okay, let's talk about, eto na. For me kasi, I was a bit disappointed with media na, international media local, purong pinapansin ng nangyaring gulo sa Menjola. Sabi natin, fog of war, okay. But for me, the big deal was, I watched live na hanggang na-overwhelm yung buong EDSA, yung first 1 lane, then 2 lane, then 3 lane, then buong EDSA na ano.
Yeah.
And hanggang doon, grabe sa shrine. So, were you surprised by how many people showed up?
Well,
Grabe.
the target is 20K, no? At most.
So, 10 times ang nag-show up.
Ito, more than 50K.
Yeah.
Yung nagpakita. Tapos, hindi at one time yon. Ibig sabihin, may mga umuwi,
Yeah.
may mga dumarating. It could have been much bigger.
Yeah.
At hanggang alas 8 ng gabi, I was still there sa Etcha Shrine.
Right.
Bumalik uli ako ron. Ayaw pa umalis ng mga kabataan. They were still there chanting.
Yeah.
Umalis na ako dahil sakit na ng paa ko, tsaka gutom na ako. Pero they were still there. Di ko alam hanggang what time sila. Nagsimula ako 9 o'clock. 10,000 na mahigit yung nasa People Power Monument, no? Ang mga nandun. Tapos lumobo na.
Lumobo
No,
talaga.
nakailang balik ako People Power Monument to Etcha Shrine to People Power
Na-drone ka
Monument
pa.
to Etcha Shrine, no? Nakailang balik ako. Nung pagbalik ko ng hapon, hindi na ako makabalik.
Yeah.
Dahil talagang barado na sa tao. No? Nandun ako. I was caught dun sa bridge.
Tsaka barado ka sa fans mo. Grabe na.
Hindi.
Dahil pala nanonood, no? Like, interest. Hinahanap ka nga sa akin eh.
Hindi na pagkamala lang ako si Juan. Si Edo Manzano.
Edo Manzano.
Sabi ko, oo.
Na walang contractor university, oh.
Kaya-
The National
kaya
Treasure.
Hindi, sabi ko, hindi ako si Edo Manzano. No? Ako lang si Richard Zaydagan.
Yun!
Yan, sabi niya, oo nga, magkamukha nga kayo.
Kaya sir, ito naman yung backhanded mo. Actually, I was thinking the other way. Ano ba, Satya Guru ba yung tawag sa kanya? Alam mo yung guru na sobrang sikat ngayon, na lahat ng tanong may sagot siya. Quantum mechanics. 3D printing. Asymmetrical warfare. Politics in US. MAGA.
Parang doon sa ADR conference natin sa India.
Ayun, yung late na nga may tanong pa kagad. Tapos yung yung mga Indian, sino to? Anong tanong niya, di ba? Tapos na hindi na comfortable yung ibang ambassador. Ang tawag ko na sa'yo, Sir Guro. Kasi may sagot ka sa lahat ng issue. Kahit yung hindi mo alam na issue, may tanong ka na kagad.
Hindi naman.
Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo.
Mapagpanggap lang ako. No?
But it works, sir. It works. It works.
Pero ako master lang. Ikaw
Yun.
doctorate.
Postdoctorate. But Sir Ronald, going back to this, so what's next? Kasi, okay, March is great, but
Yeah.
movement ang kailangan.
Well, una kasi, there's a lot of moving parts.
Right.
At these moving parts are integrated sa isa't isa. Halimbawa, itong lumabas sa ICC, integrated dito sa mga nangyayari.
Right.
It's about impunity.
Right.
And corruption is also about impunity. So, at maganda na may advance. Yung impeachment, yung decision ng Supreme Court regarding the motion for reconciliation will come out soon. That is related to all of this. No? Dahil impeachment is about corruption. It's also about impunity. So, wag natin kalimutan yung battle na yan. Tapos meron kang Scarborough. na yung latest gustong gawin ng China na geo reserve,
Right.
yung Scarborough,
Natural
no?
park, yeah.
And China is related to what's happening inside. Dahil may mga supporters sila rito, clearly yung mga Duterte na involved dito sa domestic
Proxy
struggle
war,
na
yeah.
ito. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo maihiwalay. Yung
So
West
China has an
Philippine Sea.
interest in instability.
Of course, no? Nandito pa rin sila. Tapos itong kwan na ito ay may mga other plots within plots na nangyayari.
Yeah.
No, hindi ako magugulat kung may nagpa-plot ng mutiny, may nagpa-plot ng coup, etc. So dapat tutulan natin 'yon. Katulad nung ginawa nung Catholic Bishops Conference of the
Right.
Philippines. Nilinaw nila,
Right.
hindi kami sang-ayon sa ganyan.
Correct.
No, dito lang kami. At dapat you don't throw the baby with the bathwater.
Right.
Ang kinuwot nga nila as wise, as innocent as doves.
Nakita ko nga,
and
na-post mo eh.
And as wise
It's a serpent.
as serpents. Ibig sabihin, to fight corruption, we have to be as pure as doves.
Yeah.
Pero at the same time, para hindi tayo malinlang and to be diverted in other trajectories, darker political objectives, we have to know what's happening around us.
So let's
Hindi
talk about
na-
that. Kasi I think another great quote is our favorite philosopher, Antonio Gramsci, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Optimism of the spirit, but pessimism of the
Pessimism
mind.
of
Yeah.
the mind,
You have to
no?
be very skeptical.
Oh,
bawal
yeah.
lang, bawal lang syunga.
Lalo na
basically.
ngayon, sa panahon ng disinformation sa social
Right.
media, di ba? Oh,
So let's talk about that. So how successful was the trillion peso march in making sure na hindi magpagamit sa mga Duterte?
well, very successful.
Very successful,
Dahil
right?
malinaw yung parameters.
Correct.
Hindi sila lumabas doon.
Correct.
Kalawa, makikita mo, these
Clear.
are not the usual suspects.
Right.
Hindi ito yung mga aktivista na kinalyo na sa kakamarcha, katulad
Correct.
mo, no? Hindi ito mga...
Wait
mga-
lang. What's that? Muntik ka nakalasod na. Wait lang. Parang...
hindi ito mga...
Sir
hindi ito
Ronald,
mga
binuli.
fronting ideologues,
Yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
Katulad
Ayan,
mo.
pwede na.
No?
Yeah,
Hindi
pwede,
lang
pasok
mga
na ako
ganun.
dyan,
Ito
yeah.
ay mga karaniwang
Oo.
tao. Dala-dala yung kanilang mga anak. Ninenervous nga ako para sa
Yeah.
mga bata eh.
Actually,
Pero
yeah.
nung tinanong ko sila, bakit kasama niyo yung mga anak niyo? Liliit pa. Sabi na, para sa kanila ito eh.
Kinabukasan-
Ito pinaglalaban
kinabukasan
namin
nila,
eh,
yeah.
diba?
Yeah.
Kaya nga sabi ko doon sa isang nag-interview, this is a celebration of ordinary people doing the extraordinary task of fighting impunity and corruption. Indeed, this is an extraordinary moment. Yun ang sabi ko doon sa isang nag-interview.
Right.
Dahil, kita mo, in a way, parang reunion. Yung mga hindi mo na nakita for years, for decades, nandun. Nandun. Yung mga kaklase
Saka yung
mo
mga
na
kanta, di ba? Yung mga kanta.
kaklase mo na hindi political, nandun.
Dami na payak
Diba?
actually sa mga
Tapos yung
pictures and
program,
videos, yeah.
pinagbawal ang mga politicians. Even progressive politicians, hindi pinaakyat sa stage. Ang nandun, non-politicians. No?
Wait, Vice Ganda.
Actors, actresses, no, nandun, priests, bishops,
Yeah.
no? Yun yung pinasalita dahil ayaw nila na may mga iba na masyadong
Maging partisan.
political,
Oh,
di
maging
ba?
partisan, yeah.
Pero the point was very clear. No? This is against impunity, this is against corruption, this is against the Dutertes, this is against revolutionary government, no? This is against a coup, a mutiny. The parameters were very clear. No? Kaya this is just a start of something not only very compelling but something very beautiful. Na dapat hindi ma-taint ng ugliness ng ibang mga vested interests. No? Yun yung value nito eh. Pero ang gusto ko rito are ordinary people. Ito yung inabutan ko noong 86 sa EDSA. No?
Right.
Nandun kami, nagmamarcha kami, nakatingin lang sa amin yung mga tao. No? Dahil para sa kanila, this is something na very concrete sa kanilang pamilya at sa kanilang community. No? This is not just about grand narratives.
Right.
This is not just about ideologies. This is about the simple thing about future of their children. Yun ang nakakatuwa. No? Mga seniors, may dalang upuan. Nandun. No? Walang pakialam sa politika. No? Mga Zumba groups na naka-Zumba attire. Doon sila pumunta imbis na mag-Zumba. Mga marathoners, na mga fun runners sa Malolos, no? Sa San Juan, Batangas. Nandun sila. Bakit? Dahil para sa
Participatory
kanila,
talaga.
this is not ideological, this is not political yet, pero this is something very real, no? Na yung outrage nila ay kailangan nila ng expression.
But expression is one thing, channeling it in a sustained and significant fashion is another. But just before going there, singit ko lang Sir Ronald kasi even Cardinal Ambo had to respond. Well, hindi politiko yung mga vice ganda types, but they're definitely not ordinary people. And
Yes.
some people were a bit troubled because a former colleague of mine said, sana mamatay yung mga corrupt. Tapos, kulang na lang, papunta na tayo sa mga EJK na lang yung mga kurakot. Like,
Yes.
that's a very problematic state of mind. And I'm glad that Cardinal Ambo actually pushed back against that.
Yes,
Now, we don't
yes.
want to go down that Duterte mindset 10 years ago that brought us
Yes.
into this crisis we are
Yes,
today.
yes.
Can you say something about
Well,
that?
minsan kasi yung outrage sa mga tao, lalo na hindi naman politically
Medyo blind
correct,
outrage,
hindi
yeah,
naman
yeah.
ideological, no? Nilalabas nila yan, no? As an outburst. As an outburst. I'm not sure if they really meant it, no? At hindi nila alam yung implications niyan.
But it feeds
Kaya nga-
into that mindset.
Kaya nga
eh.
nilagay ni Ambo sa lugar
Yeah.
sila. Na ito yung parameters.
Yes.
No? Ito yung parameters. No? Somebody has to tell them that. Tingin ko pag sinabihan sila, papasok sila ron.
Nga eh.
Dahil hindi naman sila ganun ka-political at saka ka-ideological. No? Kaya tingin ko, pwede mo yang batakin pabalik. Pero at the same time, tama ka, kailangan kontrolin yan.
Yes.
Dahil may followers sila eh. Baka yun nga ang isipin nila.
Resonate pare.
Oo. So, pwede nilang sabihin, kung na lang, divine intervention. Yung kidlat na tama sa Sodom at
Yun,
Gomorrah.
wala na tayong magawa
Wala
dyan.
tayong magagawa. No?
Wala.
Force
Divine.
majeure yun eh.
Yeah.
Force majeure yun.
Oo.
Ganun na lang sabihin nila.
Medyo.
No?
Walter Benjamin,
Oo,
ano yun?
oo.
Divine violence.
Oo.
Yung mga ganyan.
Sama ng kidlat o tsunami.
Yeah, hindi na natin
o kaya
mas-
lamunin ng
Flood-
lupa.
na flood,
Lamunin
flood.
ng lupa.
Flood. Oh, flood, baka.
Earthquake. Lalamunin
Wala
sa
tayong
lupa.
sisa.
Basta wag lang tayo madamay.
Pero, Sir Ronald, okay, hindi na ito si Vice Ganda. May mga ibang artista, mga ganyan dyan na parang, wait lang, hindi ba parang ng isabong yan? Hindi ba dating jowa nito, ay, doon sa ano. Meron mga ganun na. May biglang anti-corruption ngayon
Totoo.
for
Ayun
the,
na. Hindi, may mga attempts nga na sumama.
Yeah.
Pero hindi mo hahatulan yung kabuuan by its parts. 'Di ba? Dahil hindi mo makokontrol yung mga sasama dyan eh.
Yeah.
No?
The sum is greater than in sports.
Oo,
Yeah.
di ba? May mga sumama dyan na tainted. May mga sumama dyan na may active cases. Eh di,
Exactly.
si Chavit sumubok sumama eh.
Hindi
Diba?
nag-work. Yeah.
Oo. Ang sinasabi ko lang, pag naunawaan nung vast majority,
Right.
sino ba itong mga sumasamang ito? I-reject nila. Yeah, i-reject nila.
So should
the
we call
Philip
that out?
Salvadors of this world, the Chavits of this world, no?
Yeah.
Et cetera. No? Pag sumama yan dyan, pero ang sinasabi ko lang, the overwhelming majority
Yeah, of course.
ay sumunod sa framework. No?
And this is the last part, which is very important, Sir Ronald. Okay, how do we turn this from a march over a one nice weekend, although there was heavy rain in the afternoon, into an actual movement that can create? Kasi ako, ang metaphor ko is yung multiple organ failure nangyari dito, di ba? Pag may multiple organ failure ang isang pasyente, you have to intervene on simultaneous in different and in a very significant and sustained way. We know that when a patient is in that situation, it's so hard, but you have to do it. Parang nangyari sa atin vote buying, yung co-opted yung mga watchdogs, our judicial system. So all of that it's not just, kaya nga, parang, yes, you have to hold corrupt officials accountable, but this cannot become a witch hunt. It has to be a systematic solution to a systematic problem. Kasi nga, multiple organ failure nangyari.
Yes and no. Dahil ang problema naman sa very systematic, nawawala yung element ng spontaneity. At ito yung gusto ng mga sumasama na hindi lang ito a grand plan Hindi lang ito ganun ka-focused. Kinakailangan nila ng space.
Okay, that's the passions of revolution.
Oh,
I get it.
Yes.
The passions, I get it.
Yun yung ating binabalanse na may direction, merong target, may gustong ma-achieve na reforms na hindi lang band-aid, no? Gustong nating may maparusahan, no? Pero at the same time, gusto natin na this is like a community gathering, a big community, like pamilya. 'Di ba? Pamilya, hindi magkakakilala nagbibigay ng ng sandwich, 'di ba? Hindi magkakakilala nagbibigay ng tubig. No, hindi magkakakilala pinapaupo yung matatanda. Kailangan ma-maintain 'yan This is a community action, a big community action with spontaneous elements, pero at the same time, malinaw yung target mo. Ang target mo is in 2028, no? Hindi lamang mapakulong, malitis, makasuhan, mabawi yung ninakaw, kung hindi maglagay ng mga tao who will take over their position.
Right.
No? New
Hindi lang
congressmen.
president, pero LGU,
new
everything.
mayors,
Yeah.
no?
New district engineers,
councilors, di ba? New senators, no? a new president, no, etc., with a new ethos, with a new vision, with a new framework. So yun
Yeah.
yung habol natin, no? Unti-unti pupunta, hindi mo pwede ipilit eh. 'Di ba? Hindi mo
Right.
ipilit eh, no? Dahil it has to grow naturally, no? Dito sa kwan na ito. Pero at the same time, other forces, other individuals ay tumutulong na mapabilis yun. Hindi naman pwedeng long burn,
Accelerator.
kwanto eh. Hindi pwedeng slow burn ito eh. Tas to be quick, we have 2 years. After 2 years, kampanya
It's
na,
too late
election
na,
na. So we have to prepare everything within that 2 years. No? Makasuhan, malitis, makulong, mabawi ang kayamanan, mareforma, at the same time, mga bagong tao na ilalagay sa poder. No? Yun
New
yung-
generation
yun
of
yung
leaders.
direction na yan. Pero hindi mo yan maipipilit ka agad. It has also to grow naturally. Ang role natin, yung mga advanced elements, ay not to impose, pero diligan yan. Diligan yan ng previous experiences natin, past mistakes. Diligan yan ng lagyan niya ng fertilizer para mas mabilis. Patayin yung masasamang damo, hindi yung patayin EJK.
Literally, yeah, yeah,
no?
yeah.
Patayin yung mga papalibot dyan na gustong i-redirect yan
Yeah,
into
or hijack.
other darker
Insidious
agenda.
agenda.
No? At the same time, patubuin yung natatanim na ngayon into strong, fresh, no, honorable plants and trees, no, sa 2028 and beyond. May chance tayo ngayon yan. Nakita natin yan ng midterm. No? Young people voting out itong mga artista na wala namang alam sa governance.
Well,
no?
thank you kay Robin
Yes.
Hood Padilla. I think
Yeah,
people
malaking
got...
tulong siya.
I want him to stay kasi the more he stays, the more...
Malaking tulong siya.
Yeah, yeah.
Pero sa 2028, talo na siya. No? So, yun yung sinimulan, no? Dito sa midterm election, no? Na underestimate yung kabataan. Na ngayon are joining this campaign. No? Dapat part ng mga alternative sa kanila manggaling. Diba? So, yun yung maganda. Do not start from zero. No, meron kang pagsisimulan. Meron kang mga naipanalo na niwala sa survey. Pero naipanalo because of young people. No?
And yung mga hindi napanalo like Heidi Mendoza, now there's a chance.
8.8 million votes?
Yeah.
That's a victory for me.
And, I mean, technically, but
Yeah.
like so much more potential momentum now.
Yes. You have the Heidi Mendozas, the Shelo Magnos, no, the Bico Sotos,
Kiko
no,
D.
the Kiko D's, no, the Chel Joknos, the Laila De
De Lima,
Limas,
yeah.
the Barry Gutierrez, no. Yan.
Riza
yung mga
Ontiveros,
no?
of
Yan
course,
Mga,
yeah.
Yan yung mga lalaban ngayon, di ba, sa 2028.
But I want to ask you something like, how do you feel about the Aquino stepping up, Bam coming in as a big star, Kiko D being the spokesman of Trillion People? Because people misunderstood me when I said, because I posted something, you know, I said, out of 120 million folks, do we always need an Aquino
Yeah,
save
maganda
us?
yung kwan,
I was not against
yeah.
Aquino's being part of it. Ang sinasabi ko lang, we should go beyond just umasa sa isang pamilya lang na maging
yeah.
savior natin. But I'm saying, I'm happy that Kiko D is doing what he's doing. I'm just saying, there's so many
tingin
other
ko
people.
Nga, tingin ko nga, si Kiko di talaga yung nagre-represent ng ethos ng Aquinos. Hindi siya traditional politician. Hindi siya compromising. No? Ang tingin ko, siya ngayon yung nagdadala ng ethos ng
Right.
pamilya na yan. So, mag-isa lang yun. So, it's not about going beyond them. It's a good representation of that family with that very strong legacy.
Right.
Tingin ko, kailangan niya magpatuloy either as a political leader o sa mass movement leader. Parang si Bico Soto. No? Kung hindi siya tatakbo sa 2028, then isa siya sa leaders ng anti-corruption
Right.
movement. Ganoon din si Kiko D. No? Kailangan magpatuloy siya. Baka hindi niya cup of tea ang maging politician. Siya yung
Civil society
kasama,
leader, yeah.
together with Bico Soto, siya yung just sa movement na yan. Tingin ko si Shelo has a future as a politician. As a progressive politician. Ganoon din si Heidi Mendoza. Ganoon din si Barry Gutierrez, Chel Jokno, Laila De Lima. Some of them, no, like us, will remain dito sa movement. Hindi tayo pang politician eh. No, pang tayo eh, pang mass movement tayo eh, no. So others will be Kailangan mo na
Well,
iba't
in a
ibang mga
different
kwan, eh.
show, you said open ka to run for president. May cabinet ka na.
Yeah, gusto
At
ko-
hindi ako kasama doon.
Hindi, gusto ko kasi yung presidential debate eh. Yun lang. Yun lang. No,
Plano na kayo.
I want
Disruptor.
I want to debate eh.
You want to be the disruptor? What if hindi naman magpapakita yung katulad ng ginawa ng unit team noong
Ako yung
2020?
kakatay doon sa ibang presidential candidates na mga scoundrels.
Paano kung SMN na yung host ng debates? Okay lang sa'yo?
Okay lang sa akin. Ha? Okay lang sa akin. Baka ako yung hindi okay sa akin.
Actually, whoa! Yung ginagawa ko sa'yo, whoa! So to end on this, we have a third force now. Or is this the force? Kasi DDS nakita natin, nahirapan sila
Well,
to be
this is a
relevant.
work in progress. Now, this is a work in progress. But it's a very good, very
Right.
valuable start. No? Kaya tingin ko, in my more than 40 years in politics, maganda ito. Maganda ito. At tingin ko yung future nito ay not yet that certain,
Yeah.
pero the variables are beginning to be put in place.
So are you having also not only optimism of spirit, but also slightly cautiously optimism of the mind? Is that what you're saying, Sir Ronald?
Yes.
From your own experience. Kasi, by the way, shout out sa Filipino-Canadian community, etc. Like, there's so many Filipinos who are really, into the weeds and talagang plugged in and they're really passionate. I was so
More than 3
inspired.
years ago, pag
Yes.
bumabiyahe ako abroad,
Yeah.
wala akong makita na mga OFW na critical sa mga Duterte. Ngayon, nagsasalita ako sa Rome, sa Milan,
New Jersey.
sa Paris, sa Berlin, sa Vienna, no? New Jersey, sa New York, sa DC.
Para pa lang contractor. Ang dami mong
Yeah,
travel.
oo nga. Ayan, mga imbitasyon. Eh. Kaya, yan, parang ikaw, mas marami ka lang imbitasyon sa akin. No? Makikita mo,
Yeah.
no? Halimbawa, 2,000 people in New Jersey, no? Independence Day, no?
Grabe.
Shouting about West Philippine Sea, atin ito. Shouting against corruption, no? Mga PhilAm na comfortable yung mga buhay. And yet they cared,
Of course.
no? Ito sa Milan, no? 300 sa Rome 200, no? Sa Vienna, no? 300, no? etc. No, nakikita mo something has
So,
changed.
how can we organize them?
Yeah,
Kasi yung DDS na-organize nila yung OFW base nila. How can we do our part?
Well, yung sa DDS nung panahon na yun, hindi naman organized eh. Mas self-fund sila eh. Self-organized
Kasi they
sila.
can relate at may affinity, emotion.
Meron na sila mga communities dyan eh.
Di,
Meron
pero
na
I
silang
disagree. You know why?
mga
Kasi
organization eh.
meron kang mga Mokauson going to the OFW community, meron kang mga Harlika na galing sa OFW community
yeah,
active.
yeah.
So meron naman silang outreach, Sir Ronald.
Where
right?
are they now?
They're fighting among each other. They're fighting among Humba. Humba.
Oh.
Nag-uhumbaan sila.
Oh, di ba?
So how should we match that? Or
Well, we also have to organize them. Sinasabi ko lang, hindi mo yan ipipilit according to our terms na ating karanasan sa organizing. These are different.
Yeah.
May mga communities na sila. May mga organizations na sila. No? So, dadagdagan na lang natin what exists. Hindi ka na mag-organize ng katulad ng ginagawa namin before. No? May mga starting points ka na. Yung mga nag-imbita sa akin, meron na silang organization eh. Church groups, community groups, self-help groups, etc. So, sila na yung nagpupuntahan eh. No? Kaya ayoko na mag-impose pa ng ating organizational models. Eh.
oh, so you went from Stalin to Negri, yung medyo horizontal, spontaneous, rhizomatic.
Actually, Gramsci.
Well, in a way, Gramsci, but I think you're a little bit
It is somewhere
more...
between the vanguard and the movement.
Yun
no?
nga eh.
Ganyan, no?
But medyo more French ka na kaysa parang neo-Gramsci ka na. But that's what I'm proud of, Sir Ron. Like, we can do like these crazy vlogs and then sinisingit natin yung mga thinkers natin. Negri, Gramsci, Walter Benjamin. Sinama ko yung Divine Violence, mga ganun.
Even Rorty is of use.
Absolutely. Yun ang love ko sa'yo, Sir Ronald. We can do this with a sense of humor and all of that. Thank you so much. Mabuhay ka, Sir Ronald. Isa kang national treasure. And as I said, ang tawag ko sa'yo, guru na ngayon. Guru San. Kasi lahat ma-explain mo eh. Next time, let's talk about yung latest discovery ng NASA. Blockchain. Pag-usapan natin.
Si Kristan yan. No?
Ayan. Magaling. Akala ko big
Pero
blockchain.
matagal na tayong hindi nakakasama natin si Walden eh. So,
Yes, let's do an episode.
Kailangan natin mag-debate
Gramsci.
with, paano, nag-i-invoke siya ng kwan eh. optimism of the will and the
Yeah.
pessimism of the mind. So,
So we're all Gramsci. At the end of the day, we're Gramsci.
I'm not sure about Walden.
Let's talk to my mentor. You want to behave yourself. Thank you so much, Sir Walden. Sir Ronald, for talking about my mentor, Walden Bello. Mabuhay ka. Yeah, let's continue that. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Welcome. Goodbye dito sa latest episode ng Pilipinas 360 Degrees. Balikan namin kayo. So many more things to discuss in the coming months and all. Sana pag alis ko na naman, hindi magkakaroon ng lalong gulo, Sir Ronald.
Okay mo, alis ka na naman. Kararating mo lang, alis ka na.
Dapat nga nasa ICC ako ngayon eh. Kaso na-postpone ni Tatay Digong.
At least naman ako, once every quarter
Ay,
lang.
grabe naman. Kawawa naman si Sir Ronald. Kaya imbitahin niyo rin lalo si Sir Ronald. Thank you very much and talk to you soon.